Imashi ebibheke ehholo elisenkabeni yedolobha laseMakhanda bekukhona izinhlangano zomphakathi, amabandla ahlukene, amabhizinisi kanye nezakhamuzi. Bonke bakhala ngokungahlinzekwa kwezidingonqangi.
Sijongene nendaba ye-service delivery. Okokuqala indaba yamanzi. Kwiminyaka emidlulileyo sasinengxaki indaba yamanzi anesuwa, sisela amanzi anelindle. Awade kubekho sisombululo sowacombulula amanzi ba ayawude acoceke nini na. Okwesibini indaba yendlela. Simane sithenjiswa ba indlela ziza kwenziwa.
Lezi zakhamuzi zithi zifuna izikhulu zomasipala zehle ezikhundleni nokubalwa kuzo nemeya yomasipala iMakana. Lokhu kuza emva kokuba bengakwazi ukuphendula ngamagiza ayizinkulungwane eziyisithupha angaziwa ukuthi ashonaphi nokubikwa ukuthi kwakumele afakelwe umphakathi.
We want the mayor to step down. Remember, the reasons are, among them, the question of the loss of geysers. 6,000 geysers that were meant for the community, poor people, under her guard, under her instructions, they got lost.
Uhlu lwezikhalo lwemukelwe oqhamuka eminyangweni wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu esifundazweni.